So this is the current situation. Niko na curtains hapo. This is my first bedsitter ever. Nimekuwa nikiishi single maisha yangu yote. So this is my bedsitter. So it's so dirty. Bado hapa kwa choo ni chafu. There were cleaner ones. Hata mpo ndani ni chafu. There were cleaner ones, but hii nilichoose juu hata nilishindwa kulala jana. The reason I chose this house, I still don't know, but obviously it was a cheap price. Hata hapa kwa ukuta ni chafu. Everything here is just dirty. It just needs deep cleaning. So here I have cleaning items nimenunua. So it's kind of a haul. Akinaanzisha tu maisha tena. Acha niziweke juu.
Unajua kurekod? Unajua simu yako kabisa.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, I'm cleaning up this house. Inakaa ni kama wanyama walikuwa wanaishi. Lakini chafu. Itaing'ara, ikata kung'ara na ile nyumba nyingine. Sisi ananisheka kati. Tukate stop tunakaa kitu hivi. Tunakaa expensive.
Uliwapa empty house. But ni kuchafu, wewe osha.
Before.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic.
How the kitchen area looks after cleaning is in a concrete. I have done my best. I have done my very best. So let's go to the bathroom. The bathroom is the dirtiest part of this house. Mi hata siwezi pikia hapa. I'll just wait for like 3 days. 3 days of cleaning, not 3 days of waiting. 3 days of cleaning. I don't know why the hell I chose the bathroom. Hivi ndio nakaa hata shanga kwa tosha. Nataka detergent. Iliwe inakaa tu venye aki kama ni wewe uko unaishi. Sasa even hizi bread ilikuwa hivi, nimezusha sasa, nimebakisha hapa chini, and then the floor, and then the rest of the house. I'm so tired. Cleaning, and this is how the house looks like. This is the bathroom, the floor, the walls. I've done some nimejaribu tu hapo, bado panaonekana ni pachafu hapo, but ni simiti, sijui itaitwa aje. Then we have to set it power. That's the bathroom. It was easy as it talking. Hizo ni simiti. It's cement. So I think the bathroom, the fact that I can walk miguu chuma, nimesahau English. That means it's great. And then this is the kitchen area. Nimetoka kuosha yangu tu sahi. I have unique duplex, this strings and this one, and then I have this place, and then it is simple too, and then I have this there, and I have this one in the house, and then it's a chaff because I don't have a nice place to make therapy. And then down here, after the kitchen, down here we have my mat shelf. So you will realize that the things that were in my single room tour are not here because most of them were from my roommate. So I have these curtains. Naweza lala hapa. I could sleep here. And then on top here kwa kama huku juu nimeweka toiletry because hata sina food, so yeah, I don't know when I will be comfortable enough to cook hapa. Oh my god, I'm so disgusted. Mwenye alikuwa anaishi hapa msijui alikuwa